Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to turn off the green dot on your Android phone. All right, let's begin. The green dot appears when an app is actively using your microphone or camera. To remove it, first identify which app is using the microphone. Swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the microphone indicator. This will show the app currently accessing your microphone. Open that app. If it's recording audio, stop the recording or close the feature that's using the microphone. Once the app stops using it, the green dot should disappear. If the green dot is still there, close the app completely from your recent apps screen. If that doesn't help, open the Settings app, go to Apps, and select the app that was using the microphone. Tap Permissions, choose Microphone, and change the permission to Don't Allow if you no longer want that app to access your microphone. If the indicator still doesn't disappear, restart your phone. A reboot closes any background processes that may still be using the microphone and usually clears the green dot. So that's basically how you can turn off the green dot on your Android phone. That's it for this video. Thanks!